She reports about their excursions to her brother, Andy, who's also traveling around Switzerland with his family. And she lets Andy in on a little secret.
Hi, Andy. How are you all on your Swiss trip? I think it's great that your kids are allowed free travel with all Swiss travel tickets, and that you as a couple get an additional 15% off with the Swiss Pass. I can imagine how quickly the cost of a trip out can mount up for a family. John and I found some attractive offers in the Swiss travel system documentation. All-in-1 ticket. This is really true for the Swiss Pass. I was very surprised. Rail, boats, postal buses, trams. Being able to use all the means of public transport in Switzerland with one ticket is really fantastic. And from 3 days up to a whole month. That even includes the scenic trains. Thanks for the tip. I've reserved a seat in the panorama coach. The scenic routes are really in demand. I've already climbed a few peaks with John in the meantime. Don't worry, I've not turned into a real sports freak. We're just taking advantage of our Swiss Pass. With a Swiss Pass, you get at least 25% discount on most mountain railways. Onwards and upwards is what John keeps saying. I'm going to recommend the Swiss transfer ticket to all my friends. You know, the ticket from the Swiss border or an airport to your holiday resort and back. It's perfect for a short break or a winter holiday at a specific location. Now let me think. Would they be even better off with the Swiss card? The Swiss card is a transfer ticket too, but you can also use it on the railway, postal buses, ships, and most of the mountain railways at half price. And that's handy, because there's certainly no lack of mountain railways and cable cars in Switzerland. John says that many of them go so high you can even ski on glaciers in summer. Do your kids go skiing or snowboarding? Your friend John is a real sports fan. He just had to visit the Olympic Museum in Lausanne. And just imagine, I went with him. No, not only because of John. I've always been interested in the Olympics, and you also get a reduction here, just like with all the other bonus partners. In return, I took John to the open-air museum in Ballenberg in the Bernese Oberland. There you can see Switzerland as it used to be. The historical buildings aren't copies, but originals rebuilt in the museum. John was so taken with the group in their traditional dress that he asked me for a dance. By the way, you also get a reduction at the Swiss Transport Museum in Lucerne. The museum is really exciting with its IMAX cinema and all its attractions. Andy, I have something to confess. I think I'm in love. We were probably looking at the stars for too long in the planetarium. And John is so... well, I'll just have to put up with these butterflies in my stomach for a while. Love to the family. Tina.
Are Tina and John going to go on the Glacier Express, or will they choose a different scenic route? Has John fallen in love too? Stay tuned.